handy. Okay, we're going to get 2 ready.
Huh?
The first 2 we don't have to cut, so while they're printing we can do some cutting.
You're talking to
I
me.
wrote down the... No, Daddy, I'm not. If you want me to, I will. The first layer we're going to do is the dark gray. That was the Can Move and Mountains. Don't have to get it on there exact.
Who are you talking to?
Hi, Daddy. I'm talking to the camera.
Okay, excuse me.
That's okay. Say hi, everybody. Be friendly. It's squared off on this end, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it around. Doesn't have to be this exact, guys. And I'm going to use that to press it down, and it will be ready. Then I'm going to go ahead, since I have 2 mats, go ahead and get the next one ready. I'm going to be tilting the camera. I hope it doesn't make anybody seasick when I do that. But I'm going to let you watch it cut. I don't want to be too boring. Yesterday we watched one, and it really kind of got boring after a while. So I'm kind of glad Dad stepped in. I'm caregiver 24/7 and love every minute of it. No, I can't say I love every minute of it. That would be dishonest. I definitely don't love some of the times. Like on the way to town today, I had to tell him 5 times where we were going, who it was that we were going to see, why we were going there, all that good stuff. Okay, we're going to do the gray, then the copper, and I'm going to go ahead real quick before I started printing and cut the other 2 layers. I decided to go with this kind of gold color instead of the tan. I don't know how it will look, and I may have to change it, but let's see if I got the right one that I like. No, I want the other one. I know I need to get a Cricut one, then I wouldn't have any problem. That's my old one that I've had for ages, and then this is Dusty's. And I want to cut off 6 inches. So my cut mark's right here. I've got 4 inches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to make 5. So I'm going to see with the Cricut one, I wouldn't have to be doing this, because it has the extender. So for Christmas, y'all, you know what you can get, Nana?
No.
Okay, cutting off 6 inches. Oh, you know what, guys? This only had to be, oh well, we're going to keep it at 6. Then the other direction will be 7.5. So 7.5 from 12 is what? 4.5? So I can go right here to the ruler. And take off. So that's the piece I want to use for the small part of the mountain. I really could take off some more, but my mistake. Okay, this is the one we really needed at 6. So I'm a frugal type of person. You know, some things you can waste and throw away and not worry about it. But some things you just want to keep forever. Now, that's not exactly the point. when it's big enough to keep and do for another project, I mean, that's a fairly large size right there. Okay, we've got 6, and then we want the other to be 9.5. So it would be easier just taking some off. So 12, it's going to be 2.5. What I'm doing is subtracting the 9.5 from 12, since it's a 12 length. And that's going to leave me a 9.5 inch sheet. Does that make sense, guys? I know after teaching school, I learned quite a lot that I don't always explain things just the way I should. So, well, that fell off. Okay, I'm going to keep my computer going. Okay, we've got to Bluetooth it. And before I do that, I want to change the camera angle over to it. Remember, this was a start to finish project, and I told you I would take you all the way through to the end. Has that got most of it in? My puppy dog, Miss Penny. Okay, she's coming to see me now, wondering why I was talking about her. Okay, we need to Bluetooth. So I'll press the power button. I'm going to glance over here at the computer. I have left this project up. I didn't finish it last night. I got interrupted. I had to do other things. Like I said, I'm a caregiver. Okay, it's in the process of Bluetoothing with the laptop. Making a few adjustments there. There we go. I've got it set to vinyl already on the knob. I'm going to open it up. If I had the Cricut Maker, all I would have to do is touch this right here. And the lid would come up and the bottom would come up. Yes, I want one. Okay, push open. Cricut Maker releases tomorrow. No, I'm not going to run and go buy one because I just got this. And I really want both. The reason being, that one could be focused strictly on the optional materials. Okay. And this one could be for the vinyl and stuff. Even though the Maker does so much more. Okay, I'm looking back at my laptop screen. And it's telling me everything's ready. I've got the right blade in there. So I'm going to push the arrows, let it feed. Then the Cricut. Okay. Say hi, Dad. Tell everybody hello. You can say something.
Well, I didn't want to foul it up.
No, you're not fouling anything up.
He's making something.
Yes, I'm making a sign to go on this purse. To go on this purse.
Let's see.
Remember me showing you this?
You got it on that side, yeah.
I've got something on this side. Now I'm going to make something to go on this side, since it's blank.
Then you got to show it. Show it first to people. How you show that on the radio, on TV.
The same way I'm showing this. Y'all like that? It turned out much better than I thought it would. I don't know why I underestimated it. But I have an empty side here, and that's where we're putting it on. Okay, I did not put this on fast cut, or it would already be finished. And this is the type of project I could have put on Fast Cut. But, you know, there, that one's done. The arrows are blinking. I'm going to push that. It feeds it out. Put this one in. Okay, now one thing I won't show you while I'm doing is I'm going to take off the, oh, gotta push Cricut. I'm going to take this vinyl off and put the next sheet on while that is cutting, just to save some time for you. I'm peeling the corner and just taking it softly off. I can always stick it back on. And the next color was the tan that I ended up changing to this. Stick it on. I like this large one. I like the large one. Okay, that's almost done. While we're waiting, I'm putting up those scraps. My frugal self. I've got one drawer in my little organizer that is strictly for cut pieces. Okay, that one's ready. Simple. Press the arrow. It's going to tell me again to push the Cricut when it starts flashing. There we go. Now, I need to take this one off. You start at the corner. And because it's full, I'm not going to peel it this way. What I'm going to do is turn it over and peel this off. It doesn't curl this as much. Oh, that one's already done and I haven't got this one on yet. That was the mountain. One of them. That was quick. Okay. Last cut. Okay. Cricut. That noise you hear is the top layers of the green pads. My fan is blowing and it's blowing them on the floor, but I don't want to put them back on the green mats now because they've been on the floor. So I'll need to wipe them off. And I'm going to do that quickly. I've got some handy wipes here. And I can wipe both sides. Any grit you get on these is going to stick on the mat. So I don't want to do that. Penny, what are you barking at? Okay, it's through cutting. It's telling me take it out.
Don't do that. Hey, don't do that. Come on. Quit that barking.
Okay.
Penny!
My machine now is telling me that my drop box is full.
No. Don't bark.
No, it's telling me that I'm done, finished, but it is really telling me my drop box is finished. I mean, full. before